So here at the Linaro Connect. So who are you?
Oh, hi. I'm Kitul Patel, working with eInfochips. So we are basically working on the ARM-based SoCs, enabling the Linux support on the ARM-based SoCs. So we are partnered with ARM and working with ARM-based SoCs to enable the Linux support on that.
So what kind of work do you do? Like, is this some of the stuff you're doing?
So yes. So here what we have done is that we have.
Yeah.
Here what we have done is we have enabled the Qualcomm Snapdragon processor with the Linux support. So we have took Linaro's distribution 14.08 version, which is OpenEmbedded based Ubuntu release, and ported onto the Qualcomm Snapdragon 600 processor.
So this is a Snapdragon 600?
Yes.
Also called the
APQ8064.
And what are you showing right here?
So here what we have done is, after porting the entire Linux distribution from Linaro, we have optimized it for the video capture, audio capture, encode, decode, and we have developed the video conferencing application, which is capturing the 640x480 resolution video encode and streaming over to the another
What resolution?
platform. It's a 640x480. So right now it is a software-based encoding, and we are working on to the enabling the hardware acceleration for HD support.
So you can do VGA with the software base, and hardware base it will be higher?
Oh yes, definitely. So we are working on to enable the HD resolution with the
Full
hardware
HD.
acceleration, Full HD.
Full HD, video conferencing. What kind of software is this? It's not what is it? You're using GStreamer?
Yes. So what we have done is we have integrated the GStreamer, Sophia Safe, the Qt5 based GUI, as well as the V4L2 for the video capture and the display. And as I mentioned earlier, like it's a Linaro OpenEmbedded based platform. So that's one, the complete Linux package is working on this.
All right. What kind of other things are you doing at eInfochips?
So eInfochips is basically a product design service company. So what we do is we develop the complete solutions for the customer, which is based on the different SoCs in the different space like avionics and the consumer, as well as the security surveillance and the medical domain.
So you're based here in Silicon Valley?
Yes, we are based out of Sunnyvale.
And you work with the chip makers, making their software work?
Exactly. So we enable the chip makers' chip to go into the end customer's product.
And you're doing some things with ARM, like from 32 to 64-bit or so, right?
Oh yeah. So we are doing a lot of work on like enabling the ARM-based SoCs customer, like to moving from the 32-bit to the 64-bit, where a lot of optimization is required, a lot of code changes are required, and that's where we are working with some of the customers.